Hey, welcome back. Today we're doing a full body workout in just 7 minutes. No equipment, no gym, no excuses. All you need is a little space and the willingness to move. If you're a beginner, or if you've been away from exercise for a while, this workout is made for you. Nothing fancy, nothing extreme, just simple movements that work. So take a deep breath, clear your mind, and let's get started. Before we jump in, we're going to warm the body up. Start marching in place. Lift your knees gently, swing your arms, and let your body wake up. This isn't about going hard yet. It's just telling your muscles, hey, we're about to move. Keep it light. Keep it relaxed. Breathe normally. Good. You should feel your heart rate coming up just a little. All right, that's enough. Let's get into the workout. First exercise, squats. One of the best movements you can do for your entire lower body. Your legs are your foundation. When they're strong, everything else works better. Stand with your feet about shoulder width apart, toes slightly turned out, hands wherever they feel comfortable, hips, chest, or out in front. Now imagine sitting back into an invisible chair. Push your hips back first, then bend your knees. Go as low as you comfortably can. Chest stays up, weight stays in your heels. A common mistake here is letting the knees shoot too far forward. Instead, think hips back then down. Let's move. Push through your heels as you stand up. Breathe in as you go down. Breathe out as you come up. Nice and controlled. No rushing. Quality matters more than speed. Halfway there. Stay strong. Core tight, like you're bracing for a punch. Almost done. Last few seconds. And relax. Shake it out. Good work. Next up, push-ups. And listen, if you think you can't do push-ups, you're wrong. You just need the right version. Get into a plank position. Hands slightly wider than your shoulders. If you're on your toes, great. If you need to drop to your knees, that's perfectly fine. Lower your chest toward the floor. Elbows about 45 degrees from your body. Then push back up. Keep your body in a straight line. No sagging hips. No piking up. A common mistake is letting the lower back dip. So squeeze your glutes and tighten your core. Let's go. Slow and controlled. Inhale down. Exhale up. If you need to pause, pause. That's strength, not weakness. You're doing better than you think. Almost there. And rest. Catch your breath. That was tough. And you handled it. Now we're moving into lunges. Amazing for leg strength, balance, and coordination. Stand tall. Step forward with one foot. Lower down until both knees are bent about 90 degrees. Your back knee hovers just above the floor. Front knee stays over your ankle. Push through the front heel to stand back up. Then switch sides. A common mistake is letting the front knee collapse inward. Keep it tracking over your toes. Let's alternate legs. Step lower, push back. Nice and steady. If you wobble, that's okay. Balance improves with practice. Stay tall. Imagine a string pulling you up from the top of your head. Almost done. And rest. You're halfway through. Stay with me. Now we're holding a plank. This one works your entire core. Abs, back, shoulders, everything. Come down onto your forearms. Elbows under shoulders. Body in a straight line from head to heels. Squeeze your glutes. Brace your core. Look down to keep your neck relaxed. If this feels too intense, drop to your knees. You're still getting the benefits. Hold it. Breathe slowly. In through the nose, out through the mouth. Your body might start shaking. That's normal. That's your muscles working. Stay strong. Almost there. And down. Take a breath. Well done. Next, glute bridges. Great for your glutes, hips, and lower back. Lie on your back. Knees bent. Feet flat and close to your body. Push through your heels and lift your hips. Squeeze your glutes at the top. Lower down with control. Avoid arching your lower back. Think squeeze, not lift. Let's go. Up squeeze. Down controlled. You should feel this in your glutes, not your lower back. Almost finished. Strong reps. And relax. Last exercise, mountain climbers. This will get your heart rate up and finish the workout strong. Start in a plank position on your hands. Core tight. Body straight. Drive one knee toward your chest, then switch. Like running in place but on the floor. Don't rush. Form first. Let's go. Keep breathing. You're almost done with the entire workout. Stay low, core tight. Final seconds. Push through and stop. Stand up. Walk it off. Breathe. You just completed a full body workout in 7 minutes. No equipment, no gym, just effort. Before you go, let's cool down. Reach your arms overhead. Take a deep breath in. Fold forward and relax. Slowly roll back up. Stretch one arm across your body. Switch sides. Step back into a gentle lunge and stretch the hips. Switch sides. Interlace your fingers behind you and open your chest. And relax. How do you feel? Drop a comment and let me know. Here's your challenge. Do this workout 3 times this week. That's only 21 minutes total. If this helped you, like the video. And if you want more beginner-friendly workouts, subscribe. Remember, fitness isn't about perfection. It's about showing up. You did that today. Be proud of yourself. I'll see you in the next workout.